The longer you're a parent, the more you realize that parenthood is a series of quickly disappearing moments, just slipping through your grasp and gone before you even realize it. It hit me really hard one day in the garage as I was cleaning up our old Osprey baby carrier. I was getting it ready to sell, and it hadn't registered the last time that I used it that I wouldn't be using it again. All three of our kids rode in that thing miles and miles across trails and mountains and places they were never big enough to reach on their own. But now they are. So I'm listing it and passing it on, hoping that another family fills it with the same kind of memories that we did. Are you happy? Excited? But our memory-making days are not over yet. They are still in full swing. Clara, what are we doing this morning?
To the top of Texas.
To the top of Texas? To Guadalupe Peak. You excited? Alright, this is your first big hike.
Wow. There's our campsite.
What'd you say?
My legs hurt.
Your legs hurt? Already? We just got started.
No, we didn't.
Keep talking. Hey, look here. Look how far we've come down here. See the cars down there? As I started thinking about how I wanted to video this hike, I decided I wanted to capture it through Clara's eyes. Clara, tell me what you think so far.
I like it.
This is her first real mountain. Her first big hike all on her own. The sun's about to rise behind you.
It's a peak shutting.
And it's no easy one either. 8.5 miles round trip, 3,000 feet of elevation gain, and at the top, 8,700 feet above sea level, Guadalupe Peak, the highest point in all of Texas.
Is that toilet paper?
It is. Hold it up.
That shadow up there. That looks like. Mama, come here.
Okay, come on.
Come here, Mommy. Come here.
I'm here.
No, right here.
Oh, okay.
I can see
yeah.
everything.
Mm-hmm. We're even higher above the top.
We're high.
Part of the reason I wanted to video it through her eyes is because she's holding on to that last little bit of babiness. Not much, but it's still there. That's where we started down there. And there's just things that I wanted to freeze in the digital time vault to be able to remember down the road, like the way she sticks her tongue out when she's shy or embarrassed, or the faces that she makes when something surprises her, or the way she moves, not just walking, but galloping or dancing down the trail. Even the way she slows us down because she wants to see everything, every little detail that we would normally walk right past.
I don't like this.
You're good, come on. oldest brother, I would often tease my baby brother that he always got special treatment. But now, as I look at my own baby, because of how quickly things have gone with her older brother and sister, I more fully understand the desire to want to cherish every last little bit of baby that you can.
Earlier Jackson was saying, why did God decide to send the wind? Now we can say, thank you, God, for stopping it. Hey, I'm not carrying everybody's jacket. Tie that around your waist.
Boom. Not like this.
Dad, but not Mom.
This is what we're seeing. This, and then slam it. It goes. Come on.
Wrap it around your waist.
How?
They got a rude awakening coming. They got a rude awakening coming.
Daddy, I'm gonna make an echo.
This is not the almost there. I mean, I'm pretty sure. I mean, look across the mountain.
4.1.
All right, put 2 and 2 together here. We're currently not above that peak, and that is not the highest peak in Texas.
I'm fine.
What happened?
Did you start recording the hike like on the road somewhere or something?
When we got out of the car.
I think it's I think the total is 8.4.
Okay, well we're at 4.1, so.
Maybe we are close. I
Dad,
don't
you're
know.
the line leader. Yeah.
What?
You're the line leader on my
Hey,
school.
Daddy, can you video me doing my echo? Wait, no. Stop. Ready? I heard it.
Let me hear yours, Clara. Alright, keep moving.
I heard it.
Finally found the thing that will encourage them to keep moving, and that is to be teachers and boss me around, tell me when to stop and when to go.
My drinky stuff.
In your school line?
Yes. Yes, you're in your school line.
What do you mean?
You're in my school now.
Oh, you're the teacher and I'm following you?
Yeah.
Who are you?
She's Miss Cowan. Will you, okay? Yes.
Miss Kell. Am I allowed to walk now?
Yes. Line order.
I'm in my line order. Now what? Now walk? Something else I really enjoyed capturing on the hike was the sister relationship that has really started to blossom between them.
Knock. Who's there? Sunshine. Sunshine, the first knock. Sunshine in the sky. Daddy. Oh, we're almost there. Let's go.
No, that's not the top. It's on the other side of that hill.
Oh my goodness. I need a potty, Daddy. Me too.
Again?
Yes. Yeah, I've been drinking my
You've been drinking lots of water?
I go potty right there.
Hey, there's people coming. You better hurry.
Come up here. Follow me.
Not only did they keep me in line, but they also kept me entertained. And aside from the occasional bickering, they really found ways to warm my heart.
My hands are freezing.
Amy has something for you. Say thank you, sissy. You just want to wrap up your hands?
You're free.
Amy, that was very sweet.
It's so long here. It's so
What people may think.
Dad, I'm 6.
People might think you're 6. Why?
Because
Because you're climbing to the top of Texas?
the top of Texas now.
Not quite. Almost. Keep going. Clara, what'd you say you're gonna do?
Scream.
Scream what?
Top of Texas.
Like do it. Do it for real.
What?
Do it for real.
Top of Texas!
Stop.
Raise your hand if you want to go to on the top of Texas.
Woohoo! Part of me wants to freeze her babyness forever, to hold on to it, to keep her in that backpack just a little bit longer. But why would I? Why hold her back when she's capable of something like this? Not a kid. Got a mama. At the same time that I was wanting to document the last vestige of babyness, just as exciting was seeing her blossoming independence.
You don't have.
It's not steep on the other side. It's not that I couldn't carry her. I still can. Not that way. But at some point, you have to let them walk. You have to let them climb. You have to let them stretch out their wings into who they're becoming.
There could be a snake.
If you fall, I fall.
I'm not falling over.
But if you fall, I fall. So don't fall.
Just a little bit.
It's horrible.
All right, go for it, Amy.
Oh, not bad.
There it is. Go touch it. Well, you're not at the top till you touch it. Please.
But I think there was
About 3.5 hours.
Real quick.
It's way more steep. You guys stand like right there. Yeah, that way. Can I just use the rest? 3.5 hours.
Come on, girl.
Say Grinnell was a lot prettier.
Here, I'll cover it.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Dad, I'll do it.
Go.
All right.
We made it at the top of Texas. They could not hear.
Yeah, go stay. You don't need to stand by the thing. You like this? We made it to the top of Texas.
How far do you want to go? Jackson, do it.
Just stand up where you're at and do it.
Bruh.
Where are you going?
Right there.
Right there, stop.
We made it to the top of Texas.
Way to go.
Never felt time like I do now. I never wanted it so much to stay. I never knew love before you, and now I'm trying to hold on in every
Except for about 100 yards where she hopped on my back just to catch up, she climbed the entire mountain by herself. I couldn't have been more proud of how she persevered all the way to the top. She was growing right before my eyes.
But when you call me, I'll answer. And if you need someone to hold your hand, and when you're lonely, I'll be there. I will give you everything, everything I am.
But one day, sooner than I would like to admit, she's going to spread her wings again, even more. And this time it won't be a mountain. It'll be her own life, her own family. And I won't be the one holding her hand anymore, so I'm soaking it all up while I still can.
When I'm old, when I'm faded, these memories will bring me back, oh, bring me back. So when I'm scared, you bring me courage. And this love is a terrifying feeling. But when you call me, I'll answer. If you need someone to hold your hand, when you're lonely, I'll be there. I will give you everything, everything that I have.
You're up there.
Yeah, you're up there.
Did the stirrup hit your head again?
When you call me, I'll answer. If you need someone to hold.
With 1 mile left, the mountain finally caught up to her. Her legs were tired, her energy was gone. Emotionally, she was spent. So I threw her over my shoulder in a fireman's hold, and within minutes, she was out. I mean, completely asleep. A guy at the end of the trail said, "I've been hiking for 30 years, and I've got to say, I've never seen that before."
My ankle is.
Yeah, I am.
Did you like the hike, Clara? Take your time.
Clara, just know that 15 to 20 years from now, even when you're all grown up and you're moved away, Daddy will always be here to pick you up if you need it.
Pray God, please help me live this day. Bring peace and joy, let these memories stay. And this I know, to love her always. Pray God, please help me live this day. Let beauty overwhelm me, take my breath away. And when the years have gone, watching the setting sun, may these memories of her stay beautiful.